In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a demo account for NinjaTrader 8 on your computer. By the end of this video, you'll have a working NinjaTrader 8 demo connection on your computer, using the free trial data so you can practice safely without risking real funds. First, register for a free trial. On your computer, open your web browser and go to the NinjaTrader registration page. On the registration form, click into the email field, type your email address, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration. Keep the information you enter simple and accurate. When you submit the form, you'll receive login credentials for the demo data. These credentials usually arrive by email, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. The message will include the demo username and any details needed to access the data feed. Do not share these credentials publicly. Once that's done, you're ready to connect to the demo account in NinjaTrader 8. Switch to the NinjaTrader 8 window on your desktop. From the Control Center, move to the top menu and click on Connections again. A drop-down list of available connections will appear. From here, select the connection you just configured, for example, NinjaTrader Continuum. Click it once to start the connection process. At this point, watch the status indicator at the bottom left of the Control Center. A blue or green light at the bottom left indicates a successful connection. Give it a few seconds to complete. Brief delays are normal while the platform authenticates your demo credentials and initializes the data feed. When you see the blue or green indicator, the demo connection is live. With the connection active, your charts, SuperDOM, and other windows in NinjaTrader 8 can now load live demo data. If you open a chart and press the play or reload buttons, data should populate. The same applies if you open the Market Analyzer or a new chart window and select a symbol. The prices will stream in as long as that blue or green light is on. If a window looks empty right after connecting, wait a moment for the data to load. That's expected on first connect. To confirm everything is working, look back at the bottom left corner of the Control Center. The connection name you selected, such as NinjaTrader Continuum, should show as connected beside the blue or green light. You can also glance at the status bar of any open chart. When prices are updating, you'll see the last traded price moving. There's nothing else you need to change here. The free trial credentials are already active, and NinjaTrader 8 will continue using this demo connection for your session. If you step away and return later in the day, you can use the same steps to reconnect quickly. Open NinjaTrader 8, click Connections again, and select the same demo connection. As soon as the blue or green indicator appears at the bottom left, you're connected to the demo data feed and ready to practice. You've now set up a demo account for NinjaTrader 8 on your computer and confirmed the connection is active and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.